Hello everybody, this is Josh Fraser here from Adelaide Exotic Car Spotting. Massimo and myself are here today at the Ben Motorsport Park to help begin the campaign for the Ben Supercars Sprint, which will be happening later on this year. Both Massimo and myself will be getting a ride, hot laps around the Ben Motorsport Park track, the same track that they will be competing in at the Supercar Sprint, which is the 4.95 kilometre international track, and we'll be doing it in the new Commodore, a V6. As you can hear, it's a pretty cool sounding machine. It is, I'm a little bit nervous, I must admit. It doesn't sound like they're taking it too easy, which is a bit different from the normal 10 kilometers below the speed limit that I generally do. So this is going to be a pretty crazy experience. I wasn't expecting that to sound that cool, so I'm quite impressed, and I'm looking forward to it.
How much do you hit on a straight normally?
In this we'll probably do about 180.
Alright, yeah.
They just you can probably get up to nearly 200, but
yeah,
brakes won't like it. See why. International part of the circuit.
Yep. Yeah.
So this is the V8 layout that we're running on. That's where the GT circuit peels off. Squarely through here, as you protest. Hear how rough the brake pedal is there? So this is last corner, this is the important one for the straight. We need to keep some corner speed up.